crafty friends, it's Caroline and I am back with a quick little project share for you. I just completed my Craftology project that was designed by Tiffany over at Let's Get Scrappy for the exclusive Country Craft Creations bi-monthly Craftology subscription that you can purchase at countrycraftcreations.com, and I'm going to have that linked in the description below. And this sweet little album, oh my gosh, I had so much fun making it. Look at this cute little pocket here on the front. And then I just used some of the cut aparts and I fussy cut some of the details out of the papers. The papers in this collection that I used are included in the Craftology subscription. And they are exclusive papers to Country Craft Creations. And these are all Tamara's design, and they're just so cute. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun to work with. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you guys how this worked out. Isn't this just adorable? And then we'll go ahead and open it up, and we've got a sweet little pocket on the front here with this lace, and then a little gatefold here with a couple of tags, and all of these tags are cut aparts in the collection. And then over here, Tiffany did such a great job of designing this. So I did use some paper from my stash, but pretty much everything was included in the kit. Again, I fussy cut some of the elements from the collection here to create these tuck spots. And I did add some ribbons from my stash, as well as some of these other papers here. But like I said, for the most part, most of it was all in the collection. Aren't these just so cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, it was so fun to work with these papers. Okay, so then we got that, and then open it up here. We got a couple tags. And then these, I love how Tiffany designed this. And this flips up. And we've got a mirror image over here. I just chose to put some of these clover prints over here. And then I used magnets. I don't think she used magnets in hers, but I used magnets in mine. And then these basically hold it in place. And then over here, we've got just a little tuck here with some little photo mats. And then this opens up. And then we've got more tags here. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, this was so much fun to work with. And then look at this cute little basket weave pocket back here, and it's super deep. It holds a lot. I've got photo mats, and I did fussy cut some of these elements here to add to it. And then also there's a sweet little folio that Tiffany designed that's also in the kit, in the instructions of the kit. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. This was really fun. I had a lot of fun working on it. Thanks so much, Tiffany. This is a great design. And thank you so much, Tamara, over at Country Craft Creations, for coming up with yet again another amazing paper collection. And I'm just loving these Craftology kits. If you guys haven't ever signed up for one, I really highly recommend that you hop on over there and do so. They're a lot of fun. And I do have another project that I'm working on that Bobbie from the Paper Jungle had designed, that's also with the Craftology kit products that we received in the February kit that was mailed to us. And I'll put links in the description below as well. I can't link to Tiffany's project. That was exclusive to those that purchased the kit, but I did want to hop on and just kind of do a quick project share in case any of you were interested in the Craftology kit, just to get an idea of how fun it is and all the goodies that you get with it and the types of projects that you can make. So that's what I've got for you guys today. I hope you're having a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.